Good morning, children. Today in Social Science and Geography in Class 9, we continue the chapter India, Size and Location. Now, we talk about the extent of the country. We see that in the north, in the northwest and northeast, we have the Yangfold Mountains. So, India is bounded by Yangfold Mountains in the northwest, in the north and northeast. If we take the distance from north to the south, it is 3,214 kilometers, and from east to west distance is 2,933 kilometers. If we look at the map, we can see that from north to the south, the distance is 3,214 kilometers, and from east to west, it is 2,933 kilometers. Now, we'll have the Indian Standard Time, or what we also refer to as the IST, which stands for Indian Standard Time. Now, we see that there is a time lag between Gujarat in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east of almost 2 hours. If we see the map, that is from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, there's a difference of 2 hours. So as a result, we see that the standard meridian of India, 82 degrees 30 minutes north, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. Now, the latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and the night as one moves from south to north. Now, if we talk about India and the world, India occupies a central position, and it is connected between a central position between the East and the West Asia. So, Indian landmass is a southward extension of the continent of Asia. The trans-Indian ocean routes connect Europe and countries of East Asia. So, therefore, we have a central location, and this central location has benefited us in many ways, in the sense that we've had relations with the other countries, we have had trade with the other countries, exchange of ideas has taken place also through these various routes which we have. So when we talk about India and the world, the Deccan Plateau extends towards the Indian Ocean. And this helps India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from West Coast, and with Southeast and East Asia from Eastern Coast. So India has the longest coastline, and its position justifies the naming of the Indian Ocean after the name of our country. Now, India's contacts with the world. If we see that India's contacts with the world has been through the ages, and all over the world India is famous for our culture, for our traditions, and for the trade relations that we've had always. But its relationship through land routes is older than its maritime contacts. Various passes across the mountains in the north provided passages to the ancient travelers. So, the ocean trade started later on, but it was important that the people, the travelers, one can say, who entered from these mountain passes were there, and therefore that also enabled the people to have the exchange of ideas, have trade relations and exchange of commodities. Now when we talk about the routes, two benefits were there, that is exchange of ideas took place and commodities or goods were exchanged with each other between India and the other countries. If we talk about the ideas of the Upanishads, the Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, Indian numerals and decimal system have all been taken from India to the other countries, and people are well aware of our rich culture and our heritage. If we talk about India's neighbors, Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest China, and that is Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south of India. So India has a strong geographical and historical links, and therefore we have progressed. But not only have we progressed, but we have also established good contacts with the rest of the world. If we see over here now in the map, we see that here we have Pakistan and Afghanistan, then here we have China, then here we have Myanmar and Bangladesh, then we have in the south we have Sri Lanka. So we are well connected with the rest of the world. So we see that today India has a major role to play. It has contributed to the world history also, and has been able to maintain good relations with the rest of the countries in the world. Thank you.